welcome to our coach. The name of the coach, by the way, is Quest. And what I wanted to show you quickly is how LiTime batteries allow us to live in comfort using all the things that we want to use on an everyday basis. So for instance, right now, if you look right here, you see there's a Dyson fan running, okay, just to circulate some air in here. This is the kitchen area. This is an induction stove right here. And let's see, heat, there we go. If Robin was cooking, she could cook using the induction stove. If Robin wanted to, she could be cooking with the microwave or the air fryer. So we can use any of these that we want. The refrigerator, as I mentioned, is also running on electricity. Yeah, here went the air conditioner. Yeah, right there, it's running. Oh, this is the control panel, which shows everything working. Now, tell me, is this comfort or not? What? And as a matter of fact, you can see right here what the temperature is. There it is, 71 degrees in here right now. And that air conditioner has been running all night, so we can sleep in nice, cool comfort. This area here is where we eat, and it's also, when we're not eating, we use it as our workstation with our computers. And once again, notice everything's plugged in. We're using just like we would in a home. Robin is a gourmet cook, and she cooks every single night. So we live in comfort, and we have to say the reason we can do that is the LiTime batteries. They allow us to store all the power that we need to be able to power all these nice, comfortable things.